Well, hey everyone. Today we're talking multi-masking. So as you can see, I have one visible mask on and one that you don't see. So our multi-masking has become a really popular trend, especially doing a little bit more self-home care right now. And so I actually got to apply my charcoal mask with this applicator so that your fingers don't get messy at all. And then I also have on the Renewal gel mask. This is a pampering mask that you can actually leave on overnight. It will make your skin feel soft, moisturized, incredible, the moisture that you get from this mask. And it just feels so good and so soft. So that's currently on my cheeks. And then the charcoal has activated charcoal in it. It draws out all the impurities from your pores. The T-zone is where you typically have the most, but you can also wear this all over. And if you look closely to my little dots, you'll notice that that is actually where the dirt is coming out of my pores. And so it looks gross and yet very fulfilling to know that you actually are deep cleaning and drawing it out. Well, ours doesn't have any harmful ripping or tearing or ripping away hair on your skin. You actually wash this off with a nice warm washcloth after 8 or 10 minutes. And so you can see that I am dry and I am ready to wash this off. And so I will show you my results when I'm done. So thanks everyone for watching.